The name of my project is Vatana hai Sabko Batana. The idea of this project came to my mind when my grandmother, who used to take Protinex, an artificial protein supplement as advised by her doctor, couldn't get protein as the government had announced full lockdown. So it came to my mind, isn't there something natural which could fulfill the needs of my grandmother and give her the required protein content? So I researched and found that Safed Vatana or dried white peas comes in the category of world's healthiest food and have the highest protein content. So I started taking the Safed Vatana by boiling it. So in the first few weeks I observed that my grandparents had some gas problems after eating them. So it occurred to me, can't it there be more easier way to consume it? So I thought, why not I roast it and then grind it and make a fine powder of it. That powder could be mixed with any grain, wheat, bajra, and then made into rotis. This would make the protein content more great. So the advantages of my project is it is cheap and boosts immunity. It is a source of all 9 essential amino acids which our body cannot make. Also, it is a very high source of fiber, which is very useful for people having diabetes.
Protein is a very essential nutrient for the human body as it plays a vital role in recovery of tissues and muscles due to fatigue. As we all know that in old age many people ought to suffer injuries and they take many artificial supplements in order to prevent and the recovery of those particular muscle groups. So me and my teammate thought of finding a natural source of protein which will be able to replace the artificial supplements, as we all know that artificial supplements are not good for the human body as they can give some side effects, and many people in India mostly are vegetarian, due to which they can't afford to eat eggs and chicken, which are natural sources of protein. So me and my teammate thought of finding something that would be more economical and can also replace the artificial supplements. So we thought of using our brainstorming sessions as a way to find out several lists of things which can provide protein in large quantities. We found out that dried white peas or Safed Vatana could help in achieving a more amount of protein in less intake of food. So we thought of using it as a natural food which can be used to obtain protein for people who can't afford protein supplements.